everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video will be on production planning and control. That is the topic of operation research. So this video is going to cover the meaning, objectives, functions or elements of production planning and control. So before proceeding ahead, I want to request you to hit the like and just subscribe to my channel. Let's start now. Production planning and control is the organization and planning of the manufacturing process. So basically in this we plan or we organize about the manufacturing process. The targets of production are set. We till when we need the output, how much raw material will be required. So basically in this we take all the decisions relating to manufacturing process. Production planning and control is the most important tool for production management for maximizing efficiency of operation. So, this process leads to the maximum utilization of resources or efficiency of operations. Now, the objectives of production planning and control. The purpose of doing PPC is it establishes production targets. In this process, the targets of productions are set because it is very important to decide how much production should be done. Because if we don't do so, it may lead to the wastage of resources and may lead to the higher cost of production. Optimum utilization of resources. Resources should be optimum utilized for reducing the cost of production and for attaining the higher level of profits. Minimize the cost of production as we are doing the optimum utilization of resources, so ultimately it will lead to the minimization in cost of production. During desired output, because we are planning our production and also ultimately we will be getting the desired outputs. Now, what are the functions or elements of production planning and control? So, first is estimate. So, in estimating, estimates are made regarding the manpower, the machinery, and etc. Then, in estimating, we already have decided that how much manpower will be required, raw material will be required, but in routing, we decide the nature of manpower, what kind of employees will be needed, what kind of machineries should be there, and from where we can get the raw material at the cheapest, and etc. So that is routing. Then scheduling. A schedule, we can say a timetable of manufacturing process is prepared that tells the steps of manufacturing process, how we will be doing this. Next is loading. So loading basically means dispatching of duties to man machine for commencing the process of production, and then dispatching. So we have granted the duties, so dispatching is giving them power or permission for commencing those activities. Then follow up. So in follow up we check whether what we have planned is actually happening or not. Following up means going through. And then last step is corrective action. So whatever deviations we have found after the follow up, we take the corrective actions for coping with it. So these were the functions or elements of production planning and control. So I hope you like this video, and